Jack Bergman, a senior US congressman, representative of the 1st Michigan Congressional District, a retired lieutenant general from the Marine Corps of United States of America, and also a co-chair of the Pakistan caucuses in United States of America, had issued a letter of commendation and appreciation to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif, and to the Chief of Defense Forces, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, for playing a pivotal and strategic role in the critical mediation between the United States of America and Iran. He had expressed his appreciation in this letter by writing it to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, saying that this leadership had actually become one of the pivotal determinant in peacekeeping or peace building mission between United States of America and Iran, and had also said that Washington Islamabad friendship or cooperation is of enduring strategic significance and interest, and noting that Pakistan did not only play an indirect critical mediatory role between United States of America and Iran by conveying messages from both sides, but also manifested this entire diplomatic effort in the form of hosting those peace talks on April 11th and April 12th, 2026, again between United States of America and Iran. Another fact that is worth mentioning here, that Bergman was the second congressman who issued an official letter of appreciation and commendation to the top leadership of Pakistan, because earlier Joe Wilson, who was another or who is another senior Republican congressman of the United States of America and a ranking member of the Foreign Policy Affairs Committee, had also issued a letter of appreciation to the leadership of Pakistan, saying that Pakistan's critical and mediatory role between United States of America and Iran has actually become a determining factor for the peacekeeping and peace building between both the stakeholders. And moreover, this cooperation or this friendship between Washington and Islamabad is not only of enduring strategic importance, but is also going to be the determining factor for the regional cooperation in this particular regard. Joe Wilson is actually best known for his rigid stance on the national security, and that was also a compelling factor for him to send a letter of appreciation to the leadership of Pakistan, because it depicts the strengthening Pakistan-US ties on one hand, and then Pakistan as a determining and a critical mediator between United States of America's security and Iranian security. Thus, this could be perceived as a reiteration of all the global stakeholders, that how do they see the Pakistan's leadership in particular and Pakistani nation in general as a critical peace builder and peacemaker between two huge stakeholders, that is United States of America and Iran.